Let's make some noise for
Load na talaga eh.
Manuel Pacosa Pacquiao!
Ate, gagawin yun.
Naan ka? Bukulan pa kami. May Pacquiao eh. Makikiman. Sige.
Tangin na, durog yung kalaban na kayo dyan.
Ay.
First round na yan, knockout yan.
Tignan natin.
Uy, gagi si Jalen Ward oh. Ayun o, nagyakap siya, yung gagi, ayun o, nakaputay. Ayun o, gagi, nakaputay, ayun o. Ayun o, gagi, Jalen Ward o.
Si Jalen
Gagi.
Ward
Na Jalen Ward niya, gagi. Ay, gagi. Woo.
Manood ako para mo kayo lahat.
Sana all. Woo. Go, Idol Iman, kaya mo yan. Tulog sa'yo kalaban na yan.
Introducing our judges scoring at ringside, scoring a 10-point must system. We have Angelito Milwaukee, Sean Ray Bunyel, corner, wearing white with black. Official weight,
Ay, ito kalaban ni Iman, lamog yan.
1 pounds.
Knockout yan.
Tignan natin.
Mahina to mga Indo eh.
Katawan na yan.
Mahina to mga Indo.
Tignan mo mga katawan na yan. Solid.
With two of those victories coming by way of Pacquiao. Mind you, ladies and gentlemen, he has traveled all the way
Oh,
from
ito kalaban ni Iman, lamog to.
determined to silence this crowd. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise introducing Reynold Contiva.
Ayan. Paktay ka dyan. Si Manny Pacquiao pa naman, biakan.
Ang ina si Iman oh. Yan ang malakas.
Ayan, labog yan.
Lamog talaga kalaban ni Iman na yan.
Across the ring, fighting out of the red corner.
Ang kasing laki lang pala eh.
Malakas si Iman.
Yan ang magbibigay lungkot sa inyo.
With an official weight of
Wala yan.
138.09 pounds.
Talo yan si
He
Iman.
steps into
Wala yan,
the ring
wala yan.
with an impressive
Ramdam ko na.
record of 7
Dami namin
wins,
yan.
no defeat,
Damit ko po.
1 bout even,
May damit
with
ka pa?
4 of those victories coming by way of Pacquiao. He carries a legendary name. Boxing runs through his DNA. But make no mistake, ladies and gentlemen, he is determined to carve his own path to greatness. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the fighting pride of Davao City.